Hello, my name is Ni Hamuda. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually record a WhatsApp status update, a voice note actually, okay, like this. All right, let's go. So this is a new feature on WhatsApp that allows you to record your voice as a status, okay, and it's usually 30 seconds. Look at it. You will see this microphone icon here. Click on it, hold and more. Look at this. Hold it, all right, and you're going to see it. So it's recording. Once you've played it, then you can delete or you can send. Click the send button to send. Okay, it will send. So once you'll see your recording, play it to see whether it's okay. Once it's okay, no mistake, then you can click the send button right there. Are you seeing that? You can click the send button and then this one here, and then it will go. All right. But if you want to record more than 30 seconds, let's say 1 minute or 2 minutes even, what do? Let me show you something. I want to show you my business WhatsApp. You're going to see that I recorded a status short, not quite long, and it is even more than 2 minutes. Look at this. Are you seeing this? 2 minutes 35 seconds. Are you seeing that? Okay, so now I'm going to go over here now and show you how to do it. Simply go to your, because you can send message to yourself on WhatsApp. This is a message to myself. This is like a diary, okay? A message I sent to myself, okay? Like this one right here now. Are you seeing that now? Okay, so once you have created a group or you can send a message to yourself, then go to the group you have created that you can, so that you can send a message to yourself, and then the message you want to record it right here, right? Okay, all right, 1 minute. Once you have done that, from here, all right, from here, just look at this now. Look at this I've recorded. Let me show you this. Look at this I've recorded. So from right there, look at these ones I recorded. You can see 2.15, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. So from here you hold it like this and click forward. Are you getting me? Click forward and then select your status. You are done, right? Just forward it, select your status and then send. Look at it. I select my status. That 2 minutes audio I recorded now in that group is going to be sent to my status if I click send, just like you have it here. Okay, so create a group where only you can send a message to yourself. Record the message what you want it to be posted to your status. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, then hold it like this and then send, and then you will see it will exceed 30 seconds on your status. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like it and try it and tell me if you got it right, and drop a comment for me, and then don't forget to share this video also to your friends. All right, look at it. I seen this 2 minutes. All right, so there are things, so it allows you to communicate. It gives you more time to be able to communicate and connect with your audience. My name is Ni Yamuda, and I will see you in another video. God bless you.